पता चला कि सना टुडू यहाँ एक बच्ची है जिनका उम्र 13 साल हुआ है और वो स्कूल नहीं जा रहा है और फिजिकल भी हैंडीकैप्ड है।
Sana Turu did not have a primary school within a 4-kilometer radius of her hamlet in Orissa's Keonjhar district. She had never enrolled in a school. Like her, thousands of disadvantaged children were out of school for varied reasons in 6 tribal blocks of Jajpur, Keonjhar and Sundargarh districts in Orissa. Most of these children had dropped out of school, while some had never been enrolled. They were involved in child labor in mines, construction sites, farms, dhabas, rat picking, begging, and in their own homes.
ମୁଁ ଛୋଟ ଥିଲି ବଡ଼େ ବାପା ମରିଗଲା ଆଉ ଟିକେ ବଡ଼ ହେଇଗଲେ ପଡ଼େ ମାନେ ବଡ଼ ହେଲି ତାପରେ ମାଇନ୍ସରେ କାମ କଲି।
यहाँ घूम के भीख मांग के चलते थे और हानि तोड़ के आके वो भी जहाँ खर्चा होता वो चलता था।
To address the learning crisis and the intergenerational transfer of inequity and poverty in these 6 tribal blocks, the 1000 Schools program was launched by the Tata Steel Foundation and the NGO Aspire in January 2015. Two tribal blocks in Jharkhand were included in the program a year later. A survey was conducted of over 2 lakh households in the blocks to identify every last child out of school. The community mobilizers, with the support of the villagers, reached out to the families of children like Sana, Sumitra and Littu.
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ସହିତ ମିଳିତ ଭାବରେ ଆସପାରେ ଆସିଲା ପରେ ଆମେ ଗାଁ ଗାଁରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ବୁଝେଇଲୁ, ଘରେ ଘରେ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ବୁଝେଇଲୁ, ତାଙ୍କ ମା ବାପାଙ୍କୁ। ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମର ବହୁତ ପିଲାମାନେ ଥିଲେ, 110 ପିଲା ବାହାରେ ଥିଲେ।
Like sisters Rana and Jhana Besara, who were orphaned at the ages of 3 and 5 and sent to live with a relative. They were linked to schooling by a community mobilizer in 2016.
ଆମେ ତ ମାମୁଁ ଘରେ ଥିଲୁ, ତାପରେ ଉଦୟ ସାର୍ ଆମ ଘରକୁ ଆସିକିନା ମୋ ଭାଇକୁ ବୁଝେଇଲେ, ତାପରେ ଆମକୁ ମାମୁଁ ଘରୁ ଆଣି ତାପରେ ଉଦୟ ସାର୍ ଆମକୁ ନେଇଗଲେ ଆରବିଏସ୍କୁ, ତାପରେ ସେଠି ରହି ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିଲୁ।
ମାନେ 12-14 ବର୍ଷ ହେଉଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳକୁ ମାଂସି ଆମର ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ପାଟମୁଣ୍ଡା ଅମେମ୍ ଯେଉଁ ଚାଲୁଥିଲା ସେଠି 6 ମାସ ବର୍ଷ ଏମିତି କାମ କରୁଥିଲେ କ୍ଲାସ୍ର ସେତେବେଳେ କିଛି ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଉନଥିଲା, କିଛି ଲେଖାପଢ଼ା କିଛି ଜାଣିନଥିଲା।
हम लोग गांव-गांव में जाना, पेरेंट्स लोग को मिलना, वहाँ के स्टेक होल्डर्स जो पीआरआई के मेंबर्स, एसएमसी के लोग, इन लोग को लगातार प्रयास करने से अभी काफ़ी परिवर्तन आया हुआ है।
However, the children have to be helped shift from a labor mindset to a learning mindset before they can be mainstreamed into formal schools.
ड्रॉप आउट में कोई बच्चा 1 साल 2 साल से ड्रॉप आउट होते हैं और कोई बच्चा 4 साल 5 साल से ड्रॉप आउट होता है और उनका उम्र भी 14 साल 13 साल हो गया होता है। तो उनका जो एज की उम्र के हिसाब से फिर उनको लर्निंग करके जो ब्रिज कोर्स दे के उनको वही उम्र के हिसाब से क्लास में एडमिशन करना बड़ा चैलेंजेस होता है।
Bridge courses are key to helping children make this transition from labor and start engaging with learning. In remote habitations unserved by the government school system, non-residential bridge courses or NRBCs were set up. The NRBCs, which usually ran for 4 to 6 months, met with an enthusiastic response from children and parents.
इधर जो क्लास होता है ये क्लास से बच्चा लोगों को थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़ाई सीख जाते हैं, यही हमको ज़रा खुशी लगता है.
Parents really want their children to get educated, but you have to find and put an alternative to them where you can prove that you are sincere and you are really serious about their children's education, and you can create some kind of viable situation. They are very much willing to come.
About 20% children were found involved in the worst forms of child labor and had been dropouts for several years. They had to be put through more intensive residential bridge courses or RBC. Over a period of 12 months, RBCs help children not only with academics, they also give them back their childhood in the form of a chance to engage in sports, art, dance and music.
मेरा लाइफ बना आरबीएस में, नहीं तो मैं यदि आरबीएस नहीं जाता तो कुछ भी नहीं कर पाता. क्या ना 7 क्लास में डायरेक्ट मैं स्कूल में जाता तो मैं कुछ भी पढ़ नहीं पाता, क्या पढ़ाता है क्या कुछ भी, तो मैं एक अक्षर भी नहीं जानता था मैम. जब आरबीएस में गया वहीं सब कुछ मैं सीख पाया.
Post bridging, the children are mainstreamed into government schools in age-appropriate classes, and they continue to be supported till school completion. Many tribal children cannot access school due to distance or forested and hilly terrain. For them, government residential schools or ashram shalas are the only hope. But there is paucity of ashram shalas in this region, and it is difficult to get admission.
हमारा ब्लॉक लेवल में जितना ऑफिसर्स है, वेलफेयर ऑफिसर एंड ब्लॉक डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर, इनके साथ में डिस्कशन करके फिर ये नीडी बच्चे हैं इनको फर्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट देना चाहिए. करके
बच्चों में थोड़ा एक भयानक स्थिति पैदा
तो आल आश्रम उसको इंडिविजुअली हेडमास्टर्स से भी डिस्कशन करते थे. उसका रिजल्ट है कि हम लास्ट 2 इयर्स में हम विदाउट इंटरेस्ट आउट ऑफ स्कूल चिल्ड्रन को डायरेक्ट हम आश्रम स्कूल में अकोमोडेट कर पाया.
The next big challenge is the learning crisis. These children are first-generation learners with no home support, entirely dependent on government schools. But schools fail to ensure for them even the basics of reading, writing and math. When children reach higher classes, they start dropping out of school. This is a no-win situation for the parents.
We work on the more remote areas of Odisha and Jharkhand, where just accessing the areas is a challenge. Sometimes availability of school infrastructure is an issue. So while access is a challenge, building capacity and building learning outcomes in each school becomes of paramount importance. Learning outcomes at school have to be at a certain level of quality.
Government schools are the only way to reach education to the last child in the country, and the government schools can change, the government teachers can deliver. If the system is revitalized, they can deliver as good a quality of learning as the best of private schools.
The 1000 Schools program demonstrates how an alternative and effective teaching-learning process can transform government classrooms. Known as the Learning Enrichment Program or LEP, it has enabled more than 1.5 lakh children to overcome their learning deficit. Over a 20-week period, 2-hour LEP classes are held in the school daily beyond school hours that help children cover the gap and regain their confidence. LEP classes are vibrant. They incorporate effective teaching-learning methods based on international research. Children sit in groups, and instead of the teacher lecturing to a class, she moves around interacting with children. Children's books from different countries have been translated into Odia to encourage reading. Scientific teaching-learning materials are used. In this class, children learn math skills through a game using sticks. In a science class here, children are exploring the digestive system.
आमे किपरि खाउछु किपरि आम खाद्य हजम होछि.
We have to organize their learning differently. So when organized differently, these children can show great potential. Classroom culture is very important. How the teachers and the children interact with each other. It should be a fear-free interaction.
उनका अगर कहीं पे कोई गैप है, लर्निंग में कोई डिफ़िकल्टीज है, तो हर सुबह शाम एक्स्ट्रा क्लास करके उनको एलईपी टीचिंग दिया जाता है, उनका लर्निंग एनहांस किया जाता है.
यह गोटे चढ़ई चित्र.
एलईपी क्लास का मेथड तो बहुत अच्छा है, एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी है, क्योंकि पहले उनका जो लर्निंग लेवल को ट्रैक किया जाता है कि कौन सा बच्चा कहाँ तक जानता है. तो ये ट्रैकिंग के बाद जैसे बेसलाइन टेस्ट के बाद उनका ग्रुपिंग होता है और हर ग्रुप के लिए एक एक टीचर पढ़ाते हैं, तो हेल्पफुल होता है हमारे लिए.
LEP strategies are now being embedded in 850 government schools. LEP teachers assist government teachers in applying these elements in their live classrooms. As a result of increased engagement of children, attendance has increased by nearly 30%.
आमर पिला माने आगरे बुलुथिले, सखाळु उठिले, डेउथिले, खेडुथिले, एबे एलईपी क्लास सुई उठिले, दांत घसी मुह धुई कि किछि खाई कि पड़े आसंती एलईपी क्लास रु जाई कि गाधई उड़े फेर स्कूल आसंती. सेति पई हमको बहुत खुशी.
नहीं अभी दिक्कत नहीं है, कुछ बोलना नहीं पड़ता है. अभी सुबह हो गया 7 हो गया तो बच्चा उठो, रेडी होके चलो स्कूल चलना है, ऐसा हो रहा है.
मैंने पहले बोल रहा था हम स्कूल नहीं जाएंगे बोल रहा था, जब समझा के तब भेजा तो नवंबर है तो अब बोल रहा हम घर नहीं जाएंगे, हम स्कूल में रहेंगे, स्कूल पाठ पढ़ेंगे.
बहुत भल लगुच कि आम भणीटा गोटे अच्छी स्कूल पढ़ला, आम माँ बापा मान आमको स्कूल देन आउे आम दुई भाई मिसिक आगे आपको जमी भल स्कूल कि मैट्रिक कॉलेज तक जमी पहुँचेबू सेमती आम चेष्टा कर दुई भाई.
School management committees or SMCs and panchayats are now taking charge of education in their villages instead of just relying on the government. They're getting every child into school and working to improve school functioning. With training, they are becoming empowered to tackle difficult issues such as teacher shortage and lack of infrastructure.
इसका स्कूल का स्थिति खाली एक ही घर था, बाउंड्री नहीं था, ये जो किचन रूम भी नहीं था. 5 साल का समय का ही बात बोल रहे हैं. और ये क्या कर रहे हैं, कम्युनिटी वाला मीटिंग नहीं, खाता पत्तर में उसका मीटिंग चल रहा था मंथली.
We have to bring community and teachers together and panchayats, that they are going to be the nucleus for change at the school. Without their collaboration, without their partnership, union partnership, this change is not going to come.
A meeting of Sarpanches of Sukinda block, Jajpur district. The program builds ownership within panchayats, training members to make plans for the schools in the panchayat, review progress and undertake advocacy with the government. Village education registers have been put in place to track attendance and retention of every child. Sarpanches are sanctioning funds for school improvement.
जो स्कूल को मु 3 लाख देची, स्कूल रिपेयरिंग हो कि आमर वाल्ड ए बाउंडरी कि तांकर कंक्रीट रास्ता कि पानी रो व्यवस्था कि लाइट रो व्यवस्था एंते सब प्रत्येक स्कूल रे होची. से माने मास्टर माने जोटा डिमांड करथांती सेही अनुसार मु तांको दउची.
कि विभिन्न खेलना जिनस दौड़ी री पार्क रे पिला माने से खुशी रे भी पड़े आसबे. सेटा आमको करने पड़ो जे स्कूल फेरी फेरी डेवलपमेंट पैसा कि अन्य पैसा रे आमे केमती स्कूल सुंदरता को बढ़ेबा, केमती आमे आदर्श स्कूल करि परिबा.
578 SMCs have accessed government funds and have submitted plans for 111 crore rupees. Of this, 57 crore rupees have already been sanctioned, providing for new classrooms, drinking water, toilets and playgrounds.
सुकिंदा मंडल में जितने क्लब्स थे, जितने SHG ग्रुप्स थे, जो महिलाओं के ग्रुप होते हैं, स्वयं सहायक ग्रुप्स होते हैं, उनको साथ में लेके युवा, छात्र, बूढ़ा सबको मिला के मतलब एक मुहिम की तरह हमने चलाए और धीरे धीरे करके आज के समय में हम कह सकते हैं कि सुकिंदा अभी पूरा शिशु श्रमिक मुक्त मंडल बन गया है। अभी हमारा जो फोकस है अभी क्वालिटी एजुकेशन के ऊपर है। अभी हम चाहते हैं कि जो जितने भी सरकारी विद्यालय हैं वहाँ पे कैसे उत्कृष्ट पाठ उनको मिले।
In the 6 blocks in Orissa covered by the program, all children are in school. The SMCs and panchayats have declared the blocks as child labour free zones and are working to maintain the status.
We've been able to build up a model of universalization which is closely aligned with the policy architecture of the country, the Right to Education Act, the curriculum frameworks, the now emerging new education policy, and looks at learning access and governance in the public schooling system and also become relevant to take across the entire country.
Children are not only coming to school, but they are enthusiastically learning and gaining confidence.
भविष्य में मु पुलिस हेबाकु चाहछे।
साहित्य पढ़वाकु मते भल लागे।
मते जते जाय पढ़ी पारेबे सेते जाय पढ़ीबी। मु आगु को जाय पाठ पढ़ी मु जने टीचर हेबाकु चाहछे। बड़ हेले पुलिस हेबी।
The children are progressing towards school completion. Ritu has just completed class 10, becoming the first person from the Seher tribe in his village to do so.
ये हमारा साला है, छोटा साला। ये पास किया, हम बहुत खुश हैं। हम कुछ नहीं जानते थे जो देश में कैसा लोग रहते हैं, कैसा चलते हैं, हम वो कुछ नहीं जानते थे।
School has allowed Ravi Guya's multiple talents to flourish.
ये सबसे ज़्यादा पेंटिंग बनाया है और मैम एक बात है, ये टाइकोंडो में ब्लैक बेल्ट पाने को जा रहा है। बहुत अच्छा, बेस्ट स्टूडेंट ऑफ आवर स्कूल भी है।
स्कूल पर ही होता है, कोई स्कूल मिली नहीं है।
वो बोलता है कि स्कूल जैसा कोई स्कूल नहीं मिलेगा।
कौन रंग चंगिया दो दिजो मावे आकोंदो पाते कौन रंग चंगिया दो दिजो मावे आकोंदो पाते देर रंग चंगिया दो दिजो मावे आकोंदो पाते सोया रंग चंगिया मोइसी चोरा